What if artificial intelligence doesn't just replace jobs, but rewires your brain? Every day, without even realizing it, you outsource your thinking, to Google, to algorithms, to AI. It's faster, easier, but is it quietly changing the way your brain works? Our brains are shaped by what we do repeatedly, a process called neuroplasticity. Every habit, every shortcut, "I'll just let the app decide" moment leaves a physical mark in our neural pathways. AI knows this, not because it's conscious, but because it's designed to keep you engaged. It delivers instant answers, personalized content, and endless stimulation. Over time, our brains adapt and start expecting speed and simplicity. When thinking becomes optional, we start using those muscles less. Think about navigation. Before smartphones, we built mental maps. We remembered street names, landmarks, even where the sun sets to know directions. Now GPS tells us every turn, every lane change, even which side of the street to be on. Did you know that a study on London taxi drivers found their hippocampus, the part of the brain linked to navigation, was significantly larger than average? That's years of mental map building. But now, that skill is slowly disappearing for most of us. It's not just navigation. The same pattern applies to problem solving. Instead of figuring things out, we search for a quick answer. Creativity. Instead of imagining, we ask AI to show us options. Emotional intelligence. Instead of reading people's expressions or tone, we rely on algorithms to predict moods or behaviors. And here's where it gets even more subtle. AI systems are designed to feed you content that matches your past choices. The more you use it passively, the narrower your thinking can become, because it's reinforcing what you already believe, instead of challenging you. Over time, your brain gets comfortable in a bubble, and growth slows down. But here's the good news, it doesn't have to be that way. AI can be one of the greatest brain-boosting tools ever invented if you use it with intention. Treat it like a tool, not a crutch. Let it speed up research, spark new ideas, or automate repetitive work. But balance that with activities that strengthen your memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. Learn new skills without prompts. Read deeply from different sources. Practice recalling information instead of instantly searching for it. Even small changes, like thinking for 2 minutes before asking AI a question, can keep your brain engaged and active. The more intentional you are, the more AI will work for you, instead of replacing you. AI is rewiring our brains right now, but is it for better or worse? Let's find out together. Subscribe, and let's deep dive into this topic in our next videos.